Okay, people, this is OJB speaking here. OJB. And as of this moment, I'll explain to you and demonstrate to you how to successfully and efficiently organize your school paperwork, such as your notes, set like the notes that you take in class. And what I have here are just simple paper folders. I like green, so you got ecology here. And on this side, I've got loose leaf paper. It's just on top of this binder stuff. Okay. And on this side, I've got I almost said file board. No, clipboard here with some loose leaf paper, letter size clipboard, and of course some writing utensils, pens. My pencil's not for now in my pocket. Sorry. Sorry about that. Okay, you got lead pencil, and you got a metal pointer. It's one of those expandable types. So it's not an antenna, just to let you know. All right, back on the subject. So I am taking 5 different classes here at this campus, and these are my classes: film, trigonometry, sociology, U.S. history, and ecology. These are the classes I'm taking for now. I just want to sort of get out of my way, but I'm not going to do it in an unprofessional way. So anyways, we open this folder. Now let's do a different folder, one that has a syllabus. And on this syllabus, you have your information about the class and the notes that you will be needing to take, and the testing times and the quizzes and so forth. Sorry, that was just my roommate trying to open the door. Okay, he's over there doing something. All right. And within this folder, I'll use this one for an example. All right. Within this folder, you have your notes that you take during class. Let me see. You have sort of abbreviated letters that you can understand. And here's a little tip for you, just a side note. When you want to take notes and sort of shorten a word, you can either use the root word within the word to make it into your abbreviation, or if not, you can take out the vowels. And just keep in mind that the first letter may be a vowel, so you might want to keep that vowel. But I'll explain all that in a different video. So anyways, on this video, we're talking about notes and organization. And so you have the notes on this side, and you got your syllabus on this side, just so that you're prepared for whatever's happening. And on your clipboard side, your clipboard is here to help you keep your papers intact onto one board, and so that you have a solid writing surface, so that when you're writing notes, as you're writing notes, it's not crumbling into a mess. So here's how it works. Again, once you're done with writing notes, you're going to go ahead and place it into the file folder of that class, like I have here. Okay? And so it stays organized, and you don't end up wasting paper in this form, compared to a notebook on this side. A regular spiral notebook, for example, right here. It's just one subject that I have. There's some of you that may have 3, 4, or 5 different subjects. within the notebook, maybe even 6. Those are some of the common ones that I see. But it's kind of a hassle when you rip out a page out of the when you rip a sheet out of the notebook, you have daggers, not these edges right here, and you have these perforations. I don't know why I said daggers. Sorry about that. And so it will take some time to just rip these off, and it makes a mess. Okay, that's the point. And so with loose leaf paper, it's already ready for you to just store it away and keep yourself organized. Okay. As for notebooks, as with any class, depending on how much you're willing to write onto a page for a certain class, you may only use up to half the notebook, and the other half may stay unused, and then you just have this blank sheets of paper. And this would be like the only ones that you use. So really, you want to stay efficient if you want to be efficient. That's if, okay? There you go. You can use this loose leaf paper, and then in that case, you end up using every one of the sheets that you put onto your clipboard. And then if there's some others that you haven't used yet, you can save it for another time. Drawing or something. Okay, now you have option 2. Over here, you got a tablet paper. I believe they call these tablet papers. Yes. Tablet notebooks. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. I'm sorry. But let's see. You got this, and so you would put this onto your clipboard along with all your stuff, and when you just take out the class with you along with your pens and writing utensils and so forth, and you're all prepared, you're all set. And so you want to go back to your notes. It's just like that, and then you want to look back at that, and now you can take your notes in class all prepared. I saw an index card there somewhere. But yes, this is the OJB way of organizing notes and being successful. And so hopefully this will help you in a good way. Maybe you need some advice. Maybe you need some positive motivation, something like that. I am here, OJB. Okay, this is all I have. This is all I have for you for now, and see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.